Welcome to Valor Insurance Group. My name is Devin. Today we're going to talk about comprehensive and the three types of collision. So let's start talking about comprehensive coverage. So all that really is I'm going to make it real simple and easy. That's just if you hit a deer or if your car's in park and something happens to it. Let's say you're driving down the road, deer pops out, you hit the deer. It's very common here in Michigan, as everybody knows. I guess the next start of it is you make a claim or not. A lot of type of people will automatically make a claim, don't even ask questions, and just kind of drive into it. A lot of times I recommend my clients, this is why I recommend a $500 deductible also, is if it's only going to be a couple $100, maybe like less than $1,000, you really should think about paying it out of pocket. The best way to do that is just go get an estimate. Most places will do that for free. They'll tell you how much it's going to be, and then that way you can call up your agent and talk to them, make sure if it makes sense to fill out a claim or not. It really comes down to you and what you feel comfortable with. Insurance is there to be used, but only for catastrophic. You don't want to use it for every little thing because then it's just going to start increasing your auto insurance rate. And next thing you know, you're going to be paying double for your car insurance, and you're like just sitting there like, why? I don't even understand. So be careful on what you put in claims for. Always talk to your agent and kind of talk to that out. The other part we want to talk about is your three types of collision. There's limited, there's broad, and then there's regular or standard. Depends on the type of companies. They call it different things. So limited collision is actually pretty rare in Michigan. Not very many people cover it, and I don't really recommend it for most of my clients. But talk to your agent just to make sure if it makes sense for you. If you kind of think about it, the reason why it is a little bit cheaper than the other two is kind of more like a seesaw. So the more risk you put on the insurance company, the more expensive it's going to be for you. The less risk you put on an insurance company, the cheaper it's going to be for you. So you kind of got to think about it like that. Say, do I want to take on more risk that makes the policy cheaper? Or do I want to put that risk on my insurance company so it makes it more expensive, but then I get a little bit more peace of mind since I don't got to worry about coming up with extra money. The next one we want to talk about is most likely regular. So regular it's kind of like the medium option there. Regular, standard, depends on your insurance company. And what that's going to do is no matter who's at fault in the car accident, you got to pay your deductible. Whatever that deductible is whatever you discuss with your agent, and that's what you pick. But standard insurance company is what most of the time I recommend. It's a good price point. The next one we'll talk about is Broadened collision, and it's a little bit more, but then you get that peace of mind. So if somebody hits you, that way you don't have to pay that deductible. They waive it. And then if you hit somebody, so if you're at fault, you have to pay your deductible. So it just kind of, a lot of people like it for that peace of mind. Be like, hey, look, I'm not worried about me getting into an accident, but if somebody hits me, I don't feel like it's right for me to pay that $500 or whatever your deductible is. That's just how you feel about it, what you think's the best. So if you guys are liking these videos and you want to learn some more, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you want, and then please ask us some questions below in the comments. We love hearing back from you guys, and we just kind of want to try to help out where we can. See you guys next time.